Hi, I'm Sean from Rain Harvesting. Today we're going to be looking at our range of Mozzie stoppers. Mozzie stoppers mount to the overflow system of your tank. They prevent the entry of mosquitoes and other pests from getting into your tank through the overflow. Our 0.955mm mesh is fine enough to prevent the entry of mosquitoes, but still allows a high flow of water through it. They are available in a range of styles and sizes and can be mounted to any tank directly to its overflow fitting or further down the overflow line. Mounting it further down the overflow line might be desirable if it makes access easier for periodic maintenance. The first product we will look at is the Mozzie Stopper Original. It is a compact, straightforward design which is simply pressed into the overflow of a tank or onto pipe further down the line. Its push-on design allows it to be easily removed if cleaning of the screen is required. The next model we'll look at is the Mozzie Stopper Easy Clean. It performs the same function as the Mozzie Stopper Original, with the added benefit of a convenient flip-out mesh screen. This allows easy cleaning and maintenance. It is designed to be glued to your tank overflow or pipework. Next, we'll look at the Mozzie Stopper Advanced. It includes a removable mesh cartridge for ease of cleaning and maintenance. Being able to completely remove the mesh screen allows you to remove or brush off any debris or build-up anywhere that is convenient. The integrated seal on the mesh cartridge allows for greater flexibility in its mounting position. This allows for a horizontal or vertical orientation, whichever is better suited to the system setup. On any system, an important factor is that water can easily overflow from the tank when it is full. This ensures that overflow water is properly managed. Our Mozzie Stopper Advanced Max Flow provides the largest open area of mesh of all of our Mozzie stoppers. The oversized body allows for the large mesh area and an increased flow of water. The large mesh area is also important in case there is any build-up of debris or biofilm over time. Even if there is a build-up, it ensures there is still ample open mesh for the water to flow through. In this video, we are showing what happens when there is a small amount of debris on the screen. We've shown a clear pipe on either side of the Mozzie Stopper so you can see the effect of blocking the screen. On a Mozzie Stopper Original, debris on the screen might inhibit the flow of water past it, which can restrict the overflow performance. On the Mozzie Stopper Advanced Max Flow, you can see that there is less restriction because of the increased mesh area. This ensures the best performance of your overflow system, even if there is some debris on the screen. The added benefit of this is that you can reduce the frequency in which the screen needs to be maintained or checked for debris or build-up. If cleaning of the screen is required, it's the same simple process as the Mozzie Stopper Advanced. Just pull out the mesh cartridge and brush it or hose it off. Our range of Mozzie stoppers will ensure that there is a solution to best suit your tank setup. To find out more about them, just jump onto our website.